I still needed to touch up my hair and change, but I'm going to be going to a belated Galentine's celebration, just like a girls' night pretty much at my friend Lavi's. We're going to make pizzas, and I made those lemon bar cookies last week. If you didn't see that, I'm going to insert a picture right here, and I'll leave the recipe link down below. They are like lemon bars, and Sugar Cookie made a baby. It's so delicious. If you love lemon bars, you will love them. I actually like them better than lemon bars. Anyways, last week I also picked up an Ulta order and I never showed you guys what I got. So it was pretty much just like, most of these things were repurchases. I needed to repurchase my NYX micro brow pencil, and NYX was buy two, get one free. So I ended up getting also the Epic ink liner in waterproof. This is like what I pretty much use every single day for my liquid liner anymore. And then this is the micro brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown, which has been pretty much my go-to pencil besides the one I'm using right now, which is the Benefit one. I've been using this Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. It's a little bit thicker of a applicator, which that's why I like the micro brow pencil so much, because you can do the little brush strokes a little bit better. And then I did get two new things that I have not used before, and they're both from e.l.f., so they're really affordable. The first is the e.l.f. Cameo Hydrating CC Cream, and I got the shade, where's the shade? Fair 120 Neutral, so neutral beige undertones. I heard really good things about this. It has SPF 30. I love my It Cosmetics CC cream, but this one's way more affordable, so wanted to test it out and see how it works on my skin. And then I heard about this amazing blush from Sam Sherman on her TikTok. This is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand in the color Rosé You Slay. And it's like this really beautiful color, like a pinky golden shade. I'm so into liquid blushes. I have been since last year. And this looked like almost like NARS Orgasm back in the day. Remember when that was like super, super popular? This reminds me of like the liquid version of that. Oh, so that's what the applicator looks like. So pretty. It has like a really nice glowy tone to it. I don't want to waste too much, but see how it has like a peachy pink glow to it? Oops, getting it all over the place. It does have a pretty glow. So I'll try it out later this week and show you guys. If you're wondering what's on my lips, since it's Galentine's, even though it's belated, I figured do like a fun red lip, but I wanted to keep it low maintenance. So I love lip oils for a low maintenance red lip. I did a little bit of lip liner, like a nude lip liner, did my lip stain on the bottom, which I'll put right here. It's the Benefit lip stain that you can use on your cheeks too. But then on my lips, on the top of that, I have this Milani lip oil in shade 140 Cherry Lime. And it's just like a really nice wash of red. And then I also got a little travel size of the Sexy Hair for our vacation that we're going on in a couple days. I'm so excited. This vlog will probably be up while we're on vacation, and then I'll put like together a California little vacation vlog after we get back. But anyways, also got a Pixie package in the mail with some fun new products to try, and they sent me a personalized wax stamper with my initial, just the M. Isn't that so cool of them? And then we have the Flawless Beauty Primer, and it's a hydrating glow primer, and a makeup fixing mix, which I've used, fixing mist. This is really nice, actually. I don't like it better than my all-nighter from Urban Decay, but it's really refreshing and gives like a little bit more of like a dewiness. If you like that, then you'll love this. And then this, I don't think I've tried before. The H2O Skin Veil in Translucent. I'm excited to use this as a setting powder, and I'll let you guys know what I think, but I've been really loving Pixie products. Right, so I decided to wear a short sleeve top because it's kind of not that chilly out right now. And I have the sequin lip top. It's from Forever 21, but like years ago. I just touched up my hair a little bit and pinned it back because we're going to be making pizza, so I don't really want my hair in my face. I'm also bringing my pink denim jacket though, just in case I get a little chilly. And hopefully I'll be able to at least show you guys the pizza and goodies that we enjoy. And maybe I'll film the girls a little bit, but I haven't been able to catch up with these girls in a little bit, so it'll be just really fun to have some girl time. Just got back from our Galentine's meetup, and as you guys probably saw, we made some yummy pizzas. They turned out really good, and she had these little goodie bags for us, so I wanted to show you what she had in this. It was a bath bomb, some yummy, pretty Lindor chocolates, some conversation hearts, and a Stella Rosa. This is pink. I don't think I've ever had these. It's a strawberry one. Thought that was so sweet of her to do, and it was just so nice catching up with the ladies. Also safe to say the lemon bar cookies were a smashing hit. I did leave like 3, I think there were 3 or 4 left over, and I just left them for Lavi, our host. But they were definitely a hit, so I'll be making these for sure for Easter. About to go and get my nails done. Bye to these Valentine fun nails. I called them my Barbie chrome nails. And on to some spring nails. I absolutely love them. They're spring, but very subtle. So the color is ballerina pink, and then I had her do these little white flowers with a gold center, just on my ring finger and pointer finger. Aren't they pretty? I love it. Here's the other hand. They're so pretty. Definitely in love with them. Just opened my trunk because I'm about to go to Trader Joe's. Got to get my bags. Not gonna do any crazy shopping though, since we're leaving in a couple days. So I just got back from getting my nails done, and then I also went to Trader Joe's, which you can't tell from me holding up this bag. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Things I've already purchased in the past and I'm obsessed with. I love them. I didn't go too crazy today. I only spent 40 bucks. Because I just got a couple snacky things that I'm gonna bring on the trip with us, because it's only 2 days away, and then I got some meal stuff, just like quick meals so I don't really have to cook this week. So first is a snack item. I've already had these before, and they're pretty reasonable health-wise if you want like a crunchy chip kind of snack. And these are the Crunchy Curls. They're a tasty lentil and potato snack, so it's like a mixture. It's lentil flour, potato starch, vegetable oil, and salt, and that's it. 130 calories for about 31 curls, which is a lot. And these are so satisfying. I even like to have them with like hummus or salsa, but really I like them on their own with like, if I'm having like a sandwich or something where I want like a chip on the side. These are amazing. Speaking of dipping options, I got this crunchy chili onion hummus. So it has their, what's that called? The chili oil that comes separately at Trader Joe's, which is never in stock at my Trader Joe's. But then I saw this with the hummus. I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna try that. That sounds so delicious. So the crunchy chili onion hummus. I'll let you guys know what I think. Maybe I'll try it. My favorite salad, the Crunchy Slaw salad. This has white chicken, meat, lettuce, cabbage, carrots, crispy chow mein noodles, and peanut dressing. You don't have to eat the little crispy bits on the top to save calories. You could use half the dressing to save calories. Otherwise, it's around 500 calories, I think, with the dressing. Yeah, it says 150 on the back here, but then it says 3 servings is in here. Another quick lunch option or dinner option. I saw these and like, oh my gosh, and the calories were pretty good. So it's buffalo style chicken breast wrap with blue cheese dressing. I didn't see the blue cheese dressing part, to be honest. I'm not a huge fan of that, but in combination with the buffalo chicken, it might work still for me. And then it says spicy chicken with celery in a tomato wrap. And these are 360 calories with the dressing, or 280 without the dressing. Oh, so the dressing's on the side. Awesome. That's a good thing for me because I'll probably use ranch instead, like a lower calorie ranch. And that's for half a wrap. So 280 without the dressing, 360 with. Still pretty good. And last but not least, I also got these licorice twists in raspberry, mango, and green apple. They are so yummy, and they're like a little bit better for a candy option, you know? So got those for our road trip in a couple of days. Okay, now I'm hungry, so it's time to have some lunch. I lost a little piece of my footage, so I just wanted to show you guys I did also get some fresh raspberries for a snack. I love having these on hand. Like, I'll literally eat the entire container as a snack. And then I did repurchase these snacky clusters. They're so good. These are something that I'm bringing on the trip with us for like something snacky in the car. This has sea salt potato chips, corn chip dippers, and mini pretzel nuggets mixed in milk chocolate. Believe me, it is sinfully good. The salty, the crunchy, the milk chocolate. Okay, so my Sephora order came in. It's nothing too exciting. Some new stuff for me though, so I thought I'd share with you guys. So first, this is just a repurchase. I love the Sephora collection eye makeup remover. Now I also really love the one by Mary Kay, and I love the Neutrogena one as well. The Neutrogena one's a little oily, and then this one's like not as oily even though it has the separation. It's for waterproof eye makeup remover. And then I got a few samples, but the other two things that I purchased are both travel size, but of things that I've been really wanting to try out. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to get them in a smaller size, see if I like them first. The first is the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer, and I got the shade 1.5C. And usually I'm a neutral undertone, but for my concealer, I wanted one that had a little bit more cool pink tone to it. So hopefully this is the right shade. Ooh, it looks like really nice and bright and white, and that's what I wanted. This is what it looks like. I'll try it out tomorrow on my under eyes, and I'll let you guys know what I think, but I'm really excited. I've heard good things about that. This is a Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush, and it's in the shade Hope. And it just looks so beautiful, and it's so teeny tiny, but these are so highly pigmented, so I know that it'll last me a while. Look how cute that packaging is. So teeny tiny. I don't even want to waste any, but I'll show you guys a little teeny weeny swatch. These are so cute though. All right, so I did a teeny dot right there. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to try that tomorrow. Blends out so effortlessly. That's so pretty. So I was filming what I eat in the day for Instagram, and I had one of the halves of the buffalo chicken wrap, and I took a couple bites with this wrap on it, but I wasn't really feeling the wrap. So I took all the chicken out of it because I love the chicken mixture, and I put it in my leftover cabbage mix that I had earlier from my salad, and it tastes so good. I don't even have dressing on it, and it's like super flavorful and delicious. I was like, something's missing because there was no lettuce or like vegetables in it, and it just needed something else. So I just thought I'd show you guys. You get the inside look, and then I have a little bit on the side for the rest of my dressing from earlier, and then I just have some green beans and potatoes there. A little bit of coffee action. My favorite drink still. I can't believe how long I've been drinking the same drink now from Starbucks. Oat milk shaken espresso with vanilla cold foam on top though. It gives it a little something extra. Now it makes it like $7, which is insanely ridiculous. But it's my small bit of happy for the day. This morning, I decided to mix these two new cream blushes that I purchased. This one's the e.l.f. Rosé You Slay, I think. Oh no, yeah, Rosé You Slay. It has a really pretty golden glow to it. And then I'm also using the Rare Beauty Hope on my cheeks as well. And I'll show you what it looks like before I do all the rest of my makeup. Here is what it looks like on my cheeks right now. And I do usually layer, so I'll show you guys what my makeup looks like at the end. And here's the completed look. I did put a little bit of the Too Faced Cloud Blush on top. But yeah, I really love it so far. And I also am trying out my new Cosa concealer as well as my new e.l.f. CC cream. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know how it wears throughout the day, but so far I'm really liking all the products.